and welcome back to another video. For this video, I decided to do an unboxing of one of my favorite brands. So let's get down into business. This is the classic black and white bag. As you can see, they have Chanel listed across on both sides of the bag. And they also put their classic Camille on all of the bags. So now to see what is in my Chanel bag. Let's see. It's another shoe. So let's open it. Here is the triple black Chanel trainer sneakers. I am so obsessed with these sneakers and I have waited so long to get my hands on them. My sales associates that I work with at Chanel know how much I've been wanting a Chanel sneaker specifically. I kind of got this as like an early birthday present for myself and I am so excited to wear these. I have never worn them before, but I've heard great things about them. As you guys can see, it has a suede and a nylon material all across the shoe. On this side, it does have the interlocking CC. They are shiny as that patent effect. And then towards the front of the shoe, it does have the classic CC listed near the toe of the shoe by the shoelaces. And again, I did get an extra pair of white laces. So in any given time, I can change the black laces to the white ones, which I think is really cool in case I wanted to have it look a little different. I do love what they did to the bottom of the shoe, implementing the classic CC logo on the bottom of the shoe. I know some people might not care about the bottom of the shoe, but I think it's like a very cool thing that they implemented into the shoe. This bottom part towards this side as well is plastic. So I'm hoping that won't ever crack. I don't know, I haven't heard anybody have any issues about this, but these do come in different colorways. I remember in the beginning when I first wanted to get my hands on them and I did it, I saw them in black and white. It was black mostly and the nylon portion of it was white, as well as the CC interlocking Chanel logo was black as well. I did think that one was really cool, but I don't know why I just didn't buy it. I saw them about a year ago. But these specific Chanel sneakers, the trainers, they're not called trainers, but I guess everybody has just given them a name and they've just been calling it a trainer sneaker from what the Chanel associates told me. As far as the comfortability, I have heard nothing but great things about this shoe. Even when I first initially tried them on, I completely fell in love with them because of how comfortable and soft the inside was. They aren't like your typical leather sneakers like the Dior ones or Gucci sneakers that I've reviewed. Those ones are more of like a hard material because of the fact that they're leather. But this one, given that it's somewhat of like a cloth material on the inside, I can show you guys, and then it is suede and nylon, that's kind of why they are more so on the more comfortable side. But again, they are one of the more expensive sneakers. I will get into the price in a little. To show you guys the inside of it, it does say Chanel, and this back portion over here is of like a towel material, but they are very soft, not a harsh towel material, that's for sure. I just genuinely really like this shoe because they're so light. I know it's very important for you to buy sneakers that are very light because you don't want to be feeling like you're walking with 10-pound shoes on. I know that can be very uncomfortable, especially if you are going to walk in them for a very long time. So these sneakers are retailed for $1,000 and the Dior oblique sneakers are around the same exact price. And I promise, if you are able to get your hands on any of the Chanel sneakers, they will be a million times more comfortable than the Dior oblique sneakers. I just think the Dior ones are very stiff, but these ones are very, very comfortable even when you just put them on. In regards to how you can dress these, you could totally dress these up or dress them down. I've seen people wear these during the summer with like summer dresses, and I've seen them wear it with leggings, jeans. I will be doing an on feet for these shoes, so stay tuned for that, just to show you guys on how you can wear them with your pants in specific. One more thing that I did want to mention is that when you are wearing these shoes, try to wear them with ankle socks or no-show socks because I think they would look the best with those specific socks. In regards to the sizing, I am a true 38, but I did get these in a 38.5 because they didn't have any other available. However, when I did try the 38s in the all white colorway, when I compared both of them together, there really was no difference between them. They were very minimal in the difference, and even they creased the same way, they looked the same way. they just basically were the same thing. So I personally didn't see any difference between the 38 and the 38 and a half, although the 38 and a half was just a tad bit bigger. But depends on what socks you wear, you should be perfectly fine if in any case you do want to go a half size up or stay true to size. So that is something that you guys should take into consideration when you guys are purchasing the shoe, especially if you don't live near a boutique or a store that carries the Chanel sneakers. It's good for you guys to know in case you guys are getting them shipped out to you or whatever the case may be. That I am still doing my Apple AirPod giveaway to one lucky subscriber when I do hit 1,000 subscribers. We're almost there, and if you guys wanted to enter, I will include all of the information on how to enter the giveaway in the description down below, so stay tuned for that if you are interested. And on that note, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, comment down below on if you guys want to see anything in specific or have any other questions, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more content. Bye sweeties, Shamili out.